Hi there, it's Mark here again, and it's my happy birthday! Yay!
21 again!
I wish, mate. I got my mate Rob on the camera.
Hello!
And he's come round to film this unwrapping of this great big box. And Rob, it's heavy box. And yeah, we've got Barbara's Beaver. She's looking after the microphone for us. So hopefully you can hear Rob a bit better.
Yeah.
I've got my Clodbuster tool.
Woohoo!
You've got to have a good little tool, you know.
You have.
A very nice little tool it is too. So this is from Peter Smith of CW01 Creations. Nearly said that. CW01 Creations. He always sends me a birthday present. Thanks, Peter. All I know is, well, it's going to be an RC in it, Rob. Unless it's a brick in a box, because it's an house brick or 5, it's blooming heavy. So I'm going to start unwrapping it. That's what I'm going to do. Because Peter usually puts lots of wrapping paper on it. So I'm just going to start throwing it. The size of that. Right, so now we've got, this is Lego, ain't it? Is that Lego?
Yeah.
Oh, he taped it so I can't get my fingers in it. Oh, I can. I don't need my tool yet. There's not going to be any more layers, are there? Only a couple of layers, Rob. Oh, yeah, so today, dude, I'm as old as you, aren't I?
You are?
Because your birthday is in March.
March, yeah.
And then you're a certain age. I'm not going to tell them how old it is.
Bisky and
then you're older than me. And then I'll catch you up every September, don't I want to do. So,
more layers.
Oh, I'm worn out, Rob.
Oh, yeah.
Peter, you do this on purpose, don't you? You know I'm an old man.
He must have shares in wrapping paper.
Well, yeah, I think he does, mate.
Or sellotape.
Or sellotape, but
sticky back plastic.
Oh, dude, we're back to the start. It's the same
no.
the beginning. Oh, Peter, what you like? Okay then. Take 2.
The last one.
Take 2. You reckon?
No.
No way, man.
Oh no.
How many layers is this?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, good job I got a wood burning stove in it. I'm going to burn the paper. It'll light me logs. For now. Okay, there's some rattling there, dude.
I heard a bit, yeah.
I hope Barbara's Beaver's picking this up not properly. If the sound's good, blame her. Oh, I'm there.
Is he?
Yeah.
Is he there?
It's not what I expected, dude.
Oh, right.
Hang on,
you knew it. At least the box isn't.
Oh, yeah.
You know what he's like.
I do know what he's like. Here, mate, I'll show you. I'm going to flip it over. It's one of them. It's not a Tamiya. Oh my gosh. I've done a SCA1E.
You have?
Before. But this is a different one. Rover. This is, I think it's completely different. This is version 2. Wow. This is the deluxe builder's kit, mate. What's a deluxe mean? That looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Grab a piece of history and recreate your own unique retro scale build. The most beautiful vehicle in the world. I can't even talk. So, it's got the latest 2.1 spec.
Right.
Which I think means it's got counter-rotating prop shafts. I think it stops that torque twisting, isn't it?
Yeah.
So that's cool. Alloy hubs and steering links. CMS mount for optimal weight bias.
Right.
95mm soft compound tyres. B-lock wheels. Scale accessories. Printable engine detail. Front bumper detail. Fully opening bonnet and removable roof. Look at that.
Wow.
Let's have a quick look inside, Rob.
So is it going to be something?
Oh, have a look at this, dude. Woohoo! More stuff.
What is that?
I think I know what this is. Because he put one in my last birthday. It's soft.
Yeah.
You know what it is, don't you?
Yeah.
How many wrap? Oh, for God. Peter Smith! What a joking, Peter, you know. I love it, really. But, you know, you've got to have stuff to unwrap on your birthday.
Yeah.
Oh, it is what I thought it is. It's a t-shirt, Bob.
Yeah.
I wonder what this has got on it.
Yes, if anything. Have it got anything on it?
It will have. It's not going to be a plain t-shirt, is it?
I don't
know whether I can show that, Rob, on YouTube. Offended you, I have. A shit I do not give. Thanks, Peter. I do like that. Actually,
excellent.
Be careful where I wear that
Yes.
in public. Yeah, Barbara's Burger. You can look after that. I've got a card, and I shall open that later. And
You've got another.
ooh, it's an ESC.
Wow.
And I think that is a cool one by the look of it. Is it a hobby wing? I think it is, mate. That looks pretty cool.
Cool.
Oh, needs to be a cooler one, doesn't it? For a
It
cooler
does.
one. Thanks, Peter. Oh, Rob, this will be the longest unwrapping video ever.
Yeah. Lots of fast forwarding bits.
More paper. Ooh, it's sort of everything. Look at this, dude. Wow. It's like one of them
it's a silver.
25 kilogram
Cool.
metal geared servo. Thanks, Peter. That is pretty wicked. More, Rob. There's more. Ooh. He's only gone and bought a proper Core RC.
Wow.
35 turn, is it? Get it or 30 turn? Nice one, yeah. 35 turn. Got it upside down, dude. Wow, I've got everything to get this thing running, haven't I?
You are?
So just a very quick look, dude.
Yep.
Wow, that's big, isn't it?
It
It's
is.
bigger than 1/10, doesn't it? Look at that, mate. It's
Yeah.
got all the lights in there and everything.
Cool.
It's got all the LEDs. What? Alloy shocks.
Wow.
This is wicked, dude. Got all the metal bling. Metal tie rods in it, that. Wow. All metal gears. Look at that. Oh, ball bearings.
Yeah.
Ball bearings and metal gears. Oh my gosh. We probably should do a proper unboxing of this, shouldn't we?
I think so, yeah.
So yeah, we'll leave it there. I'll clear up all this wrapping paper, stick it in a big black sack. What a wonderful birthday present. I don't know what to say.
No.
Apart from, thank you very much, Peter. I really do appreciate it. Yeah, it's wonderful. I can't wait to get cracking on this. I shall be doing a proper unboxing with Rob. And I suppose I'll do a build guide as well, maybe. Maybe not. Might do, might not, because I've done the chassis before. Mind you, it's the new one, isn't it? And it's got
It's a
all
new one.
different bits.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll see how it goes.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's made me have a really happy birthday.
Cool, yeah.
So, yeah, thanks for filming, Rob.
No
Thanks for
worries,
coming
mate.
round, mate, on my birthday, because it
Yeah.
actually is my birthday,
It
isn't it,
is.
today? And, yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to catch you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye. I knew you was going to zoom in on Barbara's beaver. Oh, you're a very naughty boy. It's not my fault, it's bloody
No,
sun,
I
isn't
know.
it? It's my birthday, Rob.
It is.
I've got
Happy birthday.
Shall we do it then?
Yeah, go on then.
I'm doing it.